First right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Curves. Add 3 points on RGB curve with following input and output values. Also add 2 points on blue curve with following input and output values. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Color Lookup. Select 3D LUT drop-down and choose Teal Orange plus Contrast 0.3 DL for a cinematic look. Reduce the opacity to 70%. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient Map. Click on Gradient Editor and set colors as follows. Set the blending mode to soft light and reduce opacity to 50%. Select the background layer. Go to Filter, Lens Correction, and Custom. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Selective Color. Adjust blues to following values. Adjust red to following values. Merge all layers into a new one by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Convert it to a smart object. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Set radius to 1.5. Change blending mode to overlay and reduce opacity to 50%.